Hello guys, welcome back to this exciting tutorial on mastering pivot tables in Excel, a useful tool to analyze and summarize large datasets with ease. Welcome to today's video, where we'll learn how to use pivot tables in Excel to analyze and summarize large datasets with ease. If you've ever been overwhelmed by rows and columns of data, then pivot tables are about to become your best friend. What exactly is a pivot table? A pivot table is a powerful tool in spreadsheet software like Excel and LibreOffice Calc that helps one summarize, analyze, and organize large datasets efficiently. It lets one quickly aggregate and reorganize data to view it from different perspectives. Why use a pivot table? Quickly summarizes data. Example: total sales per region, category, or product. Allows filtering and sorting without changing raw data. Enables drag-and-drop customization for different views. Helps in trend analysis and decision-making. How a pivot table works? Rows, categories, or labels. Example: product name, region. Columns, additional categories. Example: month-wise breakdown. Values, numerical data to summarize. Example: sum of sales, average profit. Filters helps to include/exclude specific data. Example: sales from a particular year. Now, we'll learn how to use pivot tables in Excel to analyze and summarize large datasets with ease. Let's consider the following sample sales data with records having fields: order ID, date, product, category, region, sales, dollar, quantity, profit, dollar. This is the Excel file with the sample sales data with the header row with fields as order ID, date, product, category, region, sales, dollar, quantity, profit, dollar. These are the sample records for analysis and summary purpose. To achieve these insights from sales data, one can follow these steps using LibreOffice Calc or Excel. Step 1. Data preparation. Ensure the dataset is well structured with clear headers. Also, remove duplicates and handle missing values, if any. The sample data is with clear headers and no duplicate or missing values in records. Step 2. Creating a pivot table. Use a pivot table to analyze sales by category, region, and product. A. Total sales and profit by category. Select the dataset. Go to Data, Pivot Table, Create, LibreOffice, or insert Pivot Table Excel. Choose Current Selection. Also choose New Sheet for Pivot Table. Click OK. Here a new sheet is inserted with the Pivot Table dialog. Observe here all the fields of the sample data is displayed. Drag Category to the Rows section. Drag Sales and Profit to the Values section. Set values to sum. Click OK to generate the pivot table. Here is the pivot table showing summarized data. Let's rename row labels with meaningful name, for example, category. Let's rename row labels with meaningful name, for example, category, total sales in dollar and total profits in dollar. The achieved insight. Identify which category has the highest revenue and profit. Here, electronics has both highest sales and profits. Electronic has the highest sales and the profit. Task 2. Let's explore region-wise sales distribution. Let's create new pivot table in the same worksheet. Click on desired cell and the Choose Pivot Table from Insert menu. Select Sheet 1 to specify the data range, and then click on OK button. This inserts another pivot table in the sheet. Drag region to rows. Drag sales to values. Set it to SUM. Click OK. Here is the pivot table show region-wise sales figure. Modify row labels to reflect the purpose. Here, North region is with the highest sales followed by the South region. Insight: find out which region generates the most sales. Let's create another pivot table to find the best-selling products. Select the range of the sample data, as shown earlier from Sheet 1. Now let's work on to create the pivot to find the best-selling products. Drag product to rows. Drag sales to values sum. Drag quantity to values sum. Drag sales to values sum. Drag quantity to values sum. Here is the product-wise sales and the quantity of the product sold. Let's change the row labels to suitable and meaningful headers. The product refrigerator with most sales and keyboard with most quantity sold. Insight: Identify the top-selling products in terms of revenue and units sold. Step 3. To identify seasonal trends. However, there is no month header in sample data. However, month column can be obtained from date of sale with text formula as shown. Let's add one more pivot table to complete this task. Select the data range as earlier. Oh my God! Forgot to add month column. So let's first complete task. Step 4. Finding high-profit products. Drag product to rows. Drag profit to values sum. Here are the products list with their profits. Let's update row label to indicate its purpose. Here, refrigerator has made the highest profit. Now, let's add month column using the function text as shown to complete the previous task. Now add month header in the datasheet and the paste the copied function to generate the month from the date column. Observe month name appears in cell. Let copy and paste the formula in all the remaining month column to generate the month name. Let's now insert another pivot table to complete this task. Please include the month column and range. Drag month to rows. Drag sales to values. Update row headers. Observe November is outstanding with highest profits. You can scroll and observe the different insight obtained using pivot table to analyze the business, and it can be used to obtain the targets or objectives of the business. Recall, a picture worth 1,000 words. Data can be represented graphically, creating visual dashboard. Let's create a bar graph for category-wise sales and profits as shown here. Choose recommended chart option from the insert menu. Here is the bar chart indicating category-wise sales and profits. Now let's create a pie chart for region-wise sales, same steps as discussed for bar chart. Here is the pie chart that show region-wise sales. Let's use line charts for monthly trends. Here is the line chart that shows maximum sales in November month. By default, pivot tables summarize data using sum. But what if you want to see the average sales instead of the total? It's easy. Here, you have learned how to use pivot table. You should immediately start practicing with some sample data or request sample data and comment. Useful insights from the data. Sales performance by category. Electronics generates the highest revenue, $27,770, followed by accessories, $1,530, and apparel, $1,020. Electronics also has the highest profit margins, whereas accessories contribute the least. Here is the bar chart showing sales performance by category. Regional sales distribution. North and South regions account for 60% of total sales. East and West have lower sales volume, indicating potential for targeted marketing strategies. Here is the pie chart indicating region-wise sales. Best-selling products. Laptops and phones contribute 40% of total revenue. Headphones and accessories have high volume but lower revenue, meaning upselling higher-priced items could boost sales. A bar chart showing product-wise sales and quantity. Seasonal trends. Sales peak in the first and last weeks of the month, possibly due to salary cycles. October and November show higher sales, likely due to holiday shopping trends. Regions account for 60% of total sales. Here is the visualization of seasonal trends. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you next time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. See you next time. Thanks once again, guys, for watching the video.